The next rule of integration is substitution rule. So when I just put it in the form of f of x, g of x, it might look something difficult, and I'll just followed by the expression of the rule. I will just give an example. So kindly watch through it fully. Okay. Suppose you have an integration of this form f of g of x, f of g of x, and g dash of x dx. Then you can do what you can do is you can first replace g of x, a function of x, by some other function. Suppose if you write u as g of x, what is du by dx? Du by dx is equal to d by dx of u. But u is what? G of x. But what is d by dx of g of x? G dash of x. So in the last video we discussed that du by dx is equal to the differentiation of x. So g dash of x. So du can be written as g dash of x into dx. Now that if you replace g of x by u, this whole thing becomes du, because g dash of x dx is du. So it becomes like integration becomes very simple. F of g of x is u, then g dash of x dx becomes du. So it is du. Then the integration of this value is f of u simply, then plus some constant. Now once you arrive at this result, but you know already that u is g of x, so the answer is f of g of x plus c. But when you look at in this, it might look awkward. Like I'll just tell you like this. Suppose you take one example, like integration of x plus 2 whole power 5 dx. Then first thing, let us replace this with u, because this is g of x, and g of x whole power 5 means f of g of x. Okay, so let us use like I will use it here with a different color like this. Here u is equal to x plus 2. Du by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus 2. So du by dx is equal to d by dx of x means d by dx of x is 1, and d by dx of the constant is 0. So the value is 1. So then du is equal to dx. That means that dx can be replaced as du. If u is x plus 2 and dx is du, then we are going to do that. So substituting that, integral x plus 2 is u power 5, then dx is equal to du. Then what happens? U power, that x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, integral u power 5 du is u power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus the constant c. Then this is u power 6 by 6 plus constant c. What is this u power 6? This u power 6, u is actually x plus 2. Hence, our answer is x plus 2 whole power 6 by 6 plus c. So in some problems, this constant may have value, sometimes it may not have value. So we just can leave this. So this is how we integrate.